I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, and this is a Lotus elan plus 2. I think it is a Lotus elan. So basically it's all been stripped back down to the bare plywood, and we've now cut the veneer for it, which looks like that in burr walnut. That'll then get stuck onto there like that, and then all the holes then will be popped out once it's been veneered. Also the glove box door there has all been stripped as well. The veneers have all been cut to go onto there to make it look like that. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, like I said. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and subscribe onto YouTube. Bye bye.